everyone is always talking about how to invest in their business. Invest in your business. Invest in your business. You hear it everywhere over social media all the time. But what does that actually mean? And how can you tell what is a good investment to make in your business versus not a good business? Now, I am 6 credits away from having a degree in finance. Long story there. So I only have a minor in it. But my knee jerk reaction is to tell you, well, this is how you calculate, the cost of your average working cost of your working average cost of capital or your WACC. But that's not really useful. You don't need a nerd finance term to know if something is good to invest in your business. And I can go into like ROI. What does ROI mean? But it's that's not a really good sound fundamental piece of information that you can do something with. What you can do something with is my experience. And here is what my experience really looks like to you. Most people starting out, they don't have enough information. So number one thing, read more books, whether that's Audible or going to Barnes and Noble, getting as many books as you can, reading them as fast as you can, and then going back to the good ones and studying them deeper. One of the best things you can do. Okay. The next thing you do is once you're making some money, like, between 3 to I'd say 15K a month, you have those months that are really good, really bad. You're not quite so sure why. Most of your problems until you hit about, I'd say 50 to 100K a month, most of your problems are going to come from sales and marketing. And then you're going to start to you're going to have to slow down your sales and marketing because you're going to have to go back and work on operations and your product fulfillment. But until then, sales and marketing. How do you get better at sales and marketing? You go out, you find people who have done it in your market category, and you hire those people. Now, before you hire them, there's one simple test. And this is like, I wish, this is like the one piece of information that I would arguably argue that it's priceless, because I wish I had this years and years and years ago, but I didn't. But now I do, because I've done this a lot. I spent over $100,000 on hiring coaches, and this is like the simple way to tell if someone is actually going to be good and give you valuable information. Is if they have any free content out there. I'm talking about a freebie. I'm talking about a YouTube channel. I'm talking about an Instagram page, a TikTok. Go watch their content and apply what they say. If any of that works, if any of that actually makes a difference to your bottom line, to your lead flow, to any of that, that is how you can tell if that person is going to continue to provide value when you actually hire them. It's the best and most simple test to solve 90% of your problems in hiring bad coaches. So hopefully this video was helpful. If you found this information useful at all, please subscribe and drop a follow, and have a great day.